What's going on, guys? My name is Victor, and today I'm back with another After Effects tutorial, and this one is on the big eye effect scene in Eminem's Godzilla music video.
Vacate, retreat like a vacate, mayday. This beat is cray cray, Ray J, H-A, laughing all the way to the bank. I spray flames, they cannot tame or placate them.
So when I sat down to make this tutorial, I thought of a few ways that this look could be accomplished, but I found one that I find to be the easiest, and it looks pretty good, and it's honestly not that time intensive, so let's get into it. Alright, so as always, open up your footage in After Effects and create a new composition. So right here I got this clip of my friend Isaac from one of our past music videos, and basically I want to add the effect right after he blinks, and so he's opening his eyes, so he blinks, normal eyes, opens up, and they're bigger. So I want to do like they do in the music video. The camera's kind of pulling out and then it punches in right when the effect happens. So while he's blinking, we're gonna punch in, scale from 100 to 150 just to kind of mask that transition into the effect. Alright, make sure your clip is selected, then go to the top, go to Effect, Distort, Magnify, and then you'll see a magnification circle pop up on your footage, and then you can move the center point so that it's on the eye. And basically now all we gotta do is adjust the feather, the size, and then we're also going to keyframe the size for it to go from nothing to open. We want this transition to be quick, so go to where you want the effect to start and click the stopwatch on size and make sure it's at 1, which is the lowest you can go, and then move forward 1 frame and then change that amount to whatever size you want that circle of magnification to be. From here, you're just going to make sure that the stopwatch is turned on the center point, and then you're going to keyframe it throughout the duration of the effect and make sure that that center point stays in about the same area throughout to make sure that that circle of magnification is following, to make sure that that eye is staying big the entire time. Alright, once you're done with one eye, go ahead and duplicate that effect, get rid of the keyframes, and then do the exact same process but on the other eye. Now finally, to hide the transition just a little bit more, I went back to where we scaled up the footage and then I added an expression. I did wiggle parentheses 20, 30 parentheses. Now basically that's just going to shake up the screen. So I only want that expression to be in effect while the footage is scaling up. So I duplicated that layer, removed the expression, and then got rid of where it'd be scaling up so that what we just did with that expression will still show. And that is how you do the big magnified eye effect from Eminem's Godzilla music video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, comment what you thought down below, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.